Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's RuthNanda here, aka Lo. What's good, what's popping, y'all? How you doing? So we're gonna be doing a little get ready with me, as you guys can tell from the title of the video. So if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If you a returner, girl, what's good? How you doing, girl? How you doing? How has life been treating you? What's a goodie? You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you coming back to support another video from me. And yes, thanks so much, sis. Okay, Prince, you gotta relax. Anyways, so y'all, as you guys can tell, like I said earlier, we are going to be doing a little get ready with me. This is Thanksgiving. I'm actually hosting. I'm sorry, y'all. The dog is over here tripping. I am hosting, so I want to do my makeup and get that done and get the cooking, so I don't have to worry about this later. Period. I just touch it up, pop, 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 and we ready to go. So if you guys want to see the look, using some new products, because I got a new product for Beret, sis, so you know we got to talk about it, then keep watching. So let's get into this video, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I have this new product that I got from Beret. It is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. This is what it looked like. Know that you're still in time for the Black Friday all access sale, 20% off on individual items on the Beret Beauty website. Make sure you are heading over to BeretBeauty.com to check out all these products that I will be using in this video and more. So everything will be linked in the description box, so make sure you're looking there. I just want to let y'all know, y'all, ingredients in there, the good stuff for your skin. So I love that. And let's look at this bottle, sis. Okay, it's cute. It's giving cute. I like it. I'm gonna shake it up. I don't know if I should. Yeah, it says shake well. It says shake really, really good. So it says massage into your skin about 2 to 3 pumps before and after moisturizing in the morning and twice in the day. So I'm going to put on a little bit of this before I do my makeup because I'm excited to use it. I thought it was like a little BB type of cream or a tint, but it's not. It's gonna really probably give a real glow. So I might bring this on my trip, sis, because I am taking a trip very soon. So let's get into it. Okay, let's just put this on the skin. Okay, I see the glow. Do y'all see the glow? Y'all see the glow? I see the glow. I like it. Okay, it's giving. So that means my skin is gonna be glowy. I don't need to put too much of nothing, but let's get into it. I put on this glowy thing, but I'm gonna go in with some primer because I use this primer by elf. This is supposedly a really good dupe for the Milk primer, that nice hydrating primer. And I actually like this primer. It's really good. So I'm just gonna put this on top. So yeah, guys, I am gonna go in and try to conceal. I'm using my old brightener from Sephora. I'm just blend this out a little bit with my beauty blender. Okay, guys, so I concealed my face. We are gonna go into making sure I get these brows done. I do like to do my brows, so I don't do a lot with my brows. I just pretty much do basic, and with the fact they need to be done, sis. Do you see them in the brows? Baby. But because I'm going on my trip soon, sis, I am going to be going into it over the weekend. So we're going to just bub it out for the Thanksgiving. That's what we're going to do. And then I'm going to use my matte concealer. This is in W50. I had this for a long time. This is what I first started with makeup on. And don't judge me, but it has not. I'm going to look down here a little bit. It has not faded away. It's still popping years later. So I'm gonna use it. y'all. So I just went ahead and did my brows, concealed them. Look at them, looking like brand spanking freaking new, sis. Like brand spanking new. Like unibrow wear, okay? You could barely see it. Well, after I've done my brows, we're going to go in and put in some of our Beret foundation stick. This is in the color Cacao. I think I'll put it on the screen, the name of this particular foundation. And this is what it looks like. It's really cute. I like how sleek the packaging is. It's really nice. So definitely make sure you head over to the site. I'll put the link and everything in the bio so you guys can definitely check them out, because Black Friday, sis, they're having a sale on things. And you gonna want to catch in on that Black Friday sale, sis. So make sure you definitely head over to the site, and you'll be able to get some I think you'll be able to get a discount as well, even though it's Black Friday. But I'll put my link in the bio so you guys can check it out. So any discounts or anything like that will be in the description box. But definitely make sure you check their site out. So I'm gonna just blend this out and we're gonna move on. And my beauty blender is damp, so I just want you guys to see how it blends out into my skin. It's so smooth. Look at it. Ooh. I like how creamy it is. I love it. Alright guys, so this is how my face is looking, and this is for the girls that don't like a lot and like real hydrating stuff on their face, because this is very hydrating to me. I like this foundation, so I'm just doubling up some more, because you can also add more, sis. More layers is always good. More coverage is always good. So are you guys hosting at your Thanksgiving? Are you guys hosting your Thanksgiving, or are you guys going to somebody's house? You bringing a little dish, you know what I'm saying? Getting your little dish on and just saying, you know, I'm gonna just stop through, you know, just stop through with your little plate of mac or a little salad. What you bringing? What you bringing to the table, sis? What did you bring to the table? Because, you know, we want to know. We want to know what you're bringing. So then I'm gonna go into my concealers and get my concealers applied, and then we're gonna do the blush and everything. So the concealer I'm using is my NYX. Yeah, so I'm putting on my concealer. Okay, I gotta put the concealer on, and then I wish I had this in a concealer shade, because I think this will blend out so perfectly. But I'm going to be using my cheek color, the raspberry Beret. This is what it looks like. I'll put all the names for everything on the thing. So I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks. I usually put it on when I have my makeup, well, my foundation, blending out my foundation, but we're gonna put it on now. I like this shade. I like this shade a lot. It's like the perfect blush for melanin skin. Like, I love it a lot. So we're gonna blend out this little blush. I'm just gonna blend this bad boy out. I like it. Look how that blend out. Look how they got the cheeks looking rosy. Yes, honey, Mary be doing it for the melanin, okay? Doing it for the melanin, definitely. I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, y'all. So what you plan on having if you are hosting? What are you planning on having? I want to know what you guys are planning on having or had, you know, for your Thanksgiving, because I'm hosting. I'm doing, you know, I gotta bring the island vibes. I'm doing rice and peas and brown stew chicken. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more concealer to run it under my eye, but I'm doing that like on this out. Let this sit for a little bit before I put this out. Okay, so I'm gonna get into my Beret, like my highlighter. This is Cava. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I had to get the lighting right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit here and a little bit here. I don't want to do too much so it can give me a little glow. Just a little glow, just a little glow. So we're gonna just you know, blend that out as well. I'm gonna use the other end of my beauty blender to like blend that out, because I want everything to blend out. Can you guys see it? You see the little shine right there? Look at the blush, it's blushing, okay? Okay, so I'm using my contour and I'm just going to, you know, just dab it out over here a little bit, you know. Ooh, girl, look at the beauty. The melanin is popping through. Okay, so now we can go back in and blend out this concealer. I just want it to be bright. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution beige powder to set underneath my eyes. I like this, and I like my rice powder, but I forgot the name of that brand. But I like this. I've been using this on like everyday basis. I know I do my makeup different than what everybody else does probably, but that's the beauty in makeup. Period. Period. Boo. So that's what it's giving, honey. We gonna contour. Now I'm gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, so I like to use this Jaclyn Hill palette. Like, I had this for a long time, and girl, I have barely used it. Like, it's used, but it's not used at the same time. So that's why I'm like, girl, I'm not gonna make a rule, but I know good things when I see it. I'm just gonna go in with these colors, like the basic colors. I like use this and this, and then darken it with this, and just probably put something in my tear duct here. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm on eyes now. I just did a little something, okay? So we are going to use my Beret mascara. This one is in Perfect Black, and I am going to just add my mascara. I don't really do too much lashes. I like to just keep it simple. And once I get a good mascara that really make my lashes look full, then, you know. And you can tell because I haven't even really put as much mascara on this eye as much as I did this eye. And look, like it gives, you know. Like I said, guys, everything will be linked in the description box, so you can get you some. Okay, and look at the top. Look at the top, baby. Look at the top. And I can see the glow underneath my skin. Like, can you guys see that? The glow is really glowing. Okay, so can you tell the difference? Bottom lash, not done. Top lash, the bottom lash on this side is done. Like, it really like opens up your eyes, girl. So y'all, look at the face. Get into the face. Get into the face. Okay, let's get these brows brushed and definitely combed in the right direction. So we're gonna get to the lips in just a second. So let me get myself together. Alright, y'all. So I got myself together. You know, a little something, a little razzle dazzle. You know what I'm saying? So I got myself together. Yes, hair by me. Period. Okay, a video will be coming on it very shortly, so make sure you are subscribed down below and following your girl on Instagram, so you know. Okay, so guys, I am going to use my Beret lippy and tape. I really like it. So I got my two liners I got from the dollar store. You know how it goes. So I'm debating. This one is dark brown, so we're gonna do dark brown first. Way dark, y'all. I'm gonna go with a little bit of black. So I have like brown, and so I'm gonna use a little bit of my Tarte in the middle. So mix together, and then I'm going with my lip. When I'm done, my lips look like this. So it's like an ombre. Because our lip gloss, this lip gloss has a nice little tint to it. Look at it. know, it has a nice little tint to it, so it looks really good. And this is the mascara. I'm going to show you guys how it is. Really black, really black, and everything from Beret is super cute, really beautiful. It works beautiful on melanin skin, as you guys can tell. Okay, like, get into it, sis. Like, okay, you guys gonna want to pick you up 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, Beret products. Make sure you guys check the description box. Everything will be linked in the description box, so you guys can get any of these products that you're interested in, because Beret is gonna have you looking snatch, baby. It's gonna have you looking good. So make sure you guys definitely check out the description box for all the information and a little discount code, you know, discount code for all different things on their site if you would like to try it out, because since they're having a Black Friday sale, make sure you are checking them out. Make sure you are going out and running and getting you some of their, definitely their Beret Great Skin, because I can see the glow in my skin. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the glow, but I can see the glow. Like, it is glowing in here, and I feel like this had a lot to do with it as a moisturizer. And I feel like if you don't want to use makeup or whatever, I will mix in some of this in my like BB cream or something like that, and rub it in your hands and really like get into it to make it thin. I'm going on vacation, so I'm definitely gonna be bringing this with me for sure. I'm gonna bring all my Beret products. That's just happening, you know what I'm saying? Because it's super easy, it's soft, I don't need a lot. So I'm bringing all my Beret products, plus I'll be bringing my BB cream to mix it in so I can get the glow in my BB cream, and just like, if I really want to, you know what I'm saying? But I think mixing these two together is gonna be great. With a little bit of this, you just rub it in, and I like the fact that everything's so smooth, you can use it with your hand. Like, you don't have to use a brush if you don't want to, but I feel like just having one beauty blender and all these products, you are good. Like, so good. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think down below, and definitely enjoy your Thanksgiving. Thanks for stopping through to check out a video from me on this good Thanksgiving week and weekend. So guys, happy Thanksgiving, happy Black Friday, and until next time, guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.